How to sign in to your Rocket League account with your Epic Games account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Rocket League account with your Epic Games account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar type in rocketleague.com. This is the official URL of Rocket League. Once you have entered this URL, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Rocket League. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate sign in button. Go ahead and click on the sign in button, and soon after doing that, you will be redirected to the official website of Epic Games. Once you reach to the official website of Epic Games, here you will be presented with the sign in interface. Now here you will need to use your login credentials of your Epic Games account in order to sign in to your Rocket League account. In the first text box, click on it and enter your email address. Make sure to enter it correctly. After entering your email address, now click on the second text box and here enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the password box, and from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. And once after doing that, now enter the new password in the text box. Also you can click on the I button at the right side to reveal it and check if you have entered the password correctly or not. And after entering all the credentials correctly, click on the sign in button right here. By doing so, you will be now signed into your Epic Games account along with your Rocket League account. By doing so, now you will be able to log in to your Epic Games account along with your Rocket League account. So this is how you can log in or sign into your Rocket League account with your Epic Games account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.